Hey everyone, today I will show you how to ask questions to ChatGPT, and here's how it is done. Visit chat.openai.com in your browser. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Click on the Send a Message text box at the bottom of the screen. Type your question, for example, how old is Chuck Norris? Press Enter to submit. ChatGPT will provide an answer based on the most accurate and relevant information it has. For example, it might say, Chuck Norris is his current age years old. The AI will also provide additional related information if applicable. To ask a follow-up or new question, type in the message box, such as, when was the first space shuttle invented? Hit enter again, and ChatGPT will respond. Pro tips: be specific with your questions for clearer answers. If you don't get the exact information you are looking for, rephrase or ask a follow-up question. That's how easy it is to use ChatGPT to ask questions. Whether it is for fun or to gain valuable knowledge, ChatGPT is a helpful tool. And that's everything you need to know about how to ask questions to ChatGPT. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.